Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I wrap my scarf, my turban. Okay, so for those that like makeup, maybe after applying your makeup, but as for me, I hardly, in fact I rarely apply makeup. So what I do after taking my bath, I rub my pomade. Like now that is heat, I hardly rub pomade if I'm stepping out because of heat. So what I do, I use my toothbrush, brush here, my eyebrow, and as well brush my hair if need be. Don't mind my bad hair. It's a sign of riches. So I pray that I make the money. Yes, laugh. You know, I love money. So it's a sign of riches. And you know, age is just a number. It's not too late. I will make it. Yes, I will still make it. Yes, so if you like lipstick, apply your lipstick. But this is my lipstick, blue silver sleeve. So I apply it. I see this as natural, more natural. Yeah, so you select the color you want. Like it's two color. So but I always prefer purple color. So you can see how it is. It's big. So I'm going to be folding it into two. See? I folded it into two. Okay. So I'm going this way. This side is short and this side is long. So go this way. So see the back. Bring this one this way. It comes. So make sure that you hold this one behind you. Okay. Like Mommy. This. Mommy. Yes. Mama, I'm coming, I'm doing something. So you see, so I've started arranging it. Okay, see, it's folded into two. Okay, it's already folded into two. So okay, because they overlap each other like this and this. Okay, so make sure that the back is open. Like it's open like this. Okay, this one will stay at the top like this. Make sure it's open. So like this. Go ahead to tie. So go ahead to tie it. Okay. So now we have to arrange it here. We have to arrange here. Once. You see. You see. So depending on how overlaps you want it. how many you want it. If you want it too much, you can still be folding it, but if you don't want it too much, you can just leave it like this. Okay, just leave it like this and you're good to go. Step out. Simple and classic. Simple and classic. So you're good to go. Yeah, simple dress. But I'll tell you how much this dress costs. It's less than $5. Less than $5. We appear like this. Anyone that see you will feel maybe, oh, maybe you are a millionaire, a billionaire, a rich woman, a rich lady. Gorgeous, right? So don't forget to like the video and let me know what you feel about this style from the comment section. Thank you so much. Goodbye. One love, everyone.